Migratory birds possess a remarkable ability to navigate across vast distances, and much of this skill is thanks to their sensitivity to the Earth's magnetic field. These birds have a tiny magnetic compass in their brains that allows them to detect the Earth's magnetic field lines, helping them find their way during migration. This magnetic compass is thought to be linked to specialized cells containing magnetic particles or to a protein called cryptochrome, which plays a crucial role in their ability to see magnetic fields. This extraordinary navigation system enables birds to travel thousands of miles with incredible accuracy, finding their way across continents and oceans. For more intriguing insights into the natural world and its wonders, like, share, and follow for the latest updates.